Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about this reading is for my dear uh, Scorpio. Scorpio zodiac sign, and the question is what is happening in this September 2020 for my dear Scorpio. And I am going to shuffle your cards. Yes. Okay. In this month, your first card is you are coming out of your bad time, your stress, your this related your stress, related your unhappiness. You are coming out of that bad time. This is the good card that you have the strength to come out of that situation. You have the mind to solve this problem. You have the courage to do it, and you are making your home more happy, more perfect, more peaceful. You are having money, you are having food, you are having relationships, good relationships, happiness, all things. You are going to have all things in your life. Good happy home life in this September of 2020. And this something is going to happen soon. Maybe someone is coming towards you, some communications or something happening over here. Maybe you want to make some money and this is happening over here, and once again you are having the happy home life with this these cards. You are going to have happy home life, and you have a lot of desires to fulfill over here. You have a lot of desires to fulfill. You want to do a lot of things in this month of September. Maybe you had start some new project, some new business that you want to have a profit with, or maybe you want to do something, or you want to have something, want to shopping or something, do something. Yes, you are in your own power, authority. You can do anything over here. You are like emperor, and you are very wise person over here. You are alert, and you are caring for others, loving for others, like a father figure. You are protecting others in this month. What else? Okay, for some of you, you are proposing by others, or you are going to propose others. You are attracted to some person and you want to propose that person. You are going towards that person. And what next? Some of you are making home with others, but there you have something, some situation that you are not clarifying, or you have no vision to do it. So don't decide anything in this situation if you know that you don't know about this situation very well, and you are not able to think, or you are not in position to decide something. Okay, because this card is upside down, that means that if you had decided something, you have make some decision or do something in this situation, you will do something wrong. And this card is under the Ten of Pentacles, that is the happy home life. Maybe you are if you do something, then this will harmful for your home life. Hermit, you are not alone. You having a lot of, you have family, friends, or someone with you, or you don't have to take a stress about something, or maybe you think that you are alone, but there are so many people with you, and they are supporting you in this month. Yes, definitely. You want to do something new. You are attracted with something, and you are starting something. You are starting something with attraction, with very desire, and you are gathering the information about that situation. Okay, what next? What else? Okay, you are burdenless, you are stressless in this month, and but you have you also have no good relationship with your life partner, or maybe some friend you are not talking to them, or you have no conversations with them. Magician is at the end of the or at the bottom of the deck, and you want to manifest over something here. Maybe you want this person back in your life, or want to have a good relationship with that person. And what else do you have in this September 2020, my dear Scorpio? What else do you have? Yes, definitely you are attracted to something, some person, or this maybe the person you love, you are going to marry, or this is some new thing you are going to start a business, a job, something, and you are so attracted towards that thing. You want to have some profit out of it. And new love, for some of you there's some new love for you, and you are definitely with this card also, you are going to have a good relationship with that person. You are going to propose that person, or this person is going to propose you, and express your love. Yes, definitely express your love to others, to your uh, friends, to your to whom you are related to, or the person you are going to marry. Tell others that you love them by your deeds, by your work, by helping them, by caring for them, by speaking to them with love, or just telling them that you are in love with them. You are going to have a powerful growth in this month. Your personality is having a growth in this month. Very good card. Okay, glamour, intrigue, drama. You are going to leave your mask. You are going to take off your mask. You are going to be true in this month. You are going to tell others something, truth about something, and sweet memories. You don't have sweet memories with someone, or with some about something. And three witches sisters, the power of three. You are not able to um, clean something from your life, get something out of your life. You are not able to do this because maybe you are attracted to something, some person, or you have a relationship with someone, or you are now happy with that thing. You are not going to cut someone from your life, or also you are not having the help of your witchy sister. What is for my dear Scorpio in September 2020? This from my dear Scorpio. Yes, definitely. Home, very powerful, very good card. You are having a home, sweet home, with your family, with your relatives, and you are having a good time in this September 2020. This is all for you, my dear Scorpio. I am very happy to see that you are having the so good time in this month, and I hope you like it, and please like, share, subscribe my video. If you are watching this, please like, share, subscribe. It will make me happy, and it will increase my will to do it, to tell you about what happens to you. Okay, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. We will see each other again.